Alright, hello everybody. Right now we are heading to a car wash in Redlands off Barton Road. One that I've actually filmed before, but it wasn't a very good take because I was testing out a new camera setup. There was audio inconsistencies, things of that nature. So, we're going to come back up to this Arco station that has a Ryko Softgloss MAXX. I think either a MAXX or a MAXX 5, and we're going to film it. You may notice I don't have my Ford, I have my Lexus again. As of when I shot this, my Ford is in the shop for the weekend. And this car actually does need to be cleaned up and it needs to be driven because the battery was dead from sitting so long. So we're going to see how the Arco car wash can clean up the old girl and make her look a little bit better because she's looking a little nasty. Alright, so this is it right here. If you can see it past the light. There's our system. Man, this thing looks rough. And as you can see, the signage is telling us that we can both wait and drive in at the same time. I'm sure we're in for a lovely experience. And I'm not sure if you can see it before I show you the wash options down there. It says that you have to wait for the car in front of you to finish completely before purchasing or entering a car wash code. So I guess we got to do that, but obviously we're going to get the works wash for 11. There's a description of what those washes include. Alright, so they're getting pulled out. So let's go ahead and get our wash paid for. So it declined my MasterCard. So I'm going to try my Visa debit and see if that helps.
Please wait while you're transferring. Thank you.
So I guess this machine doesn't take MasterCard debit, so heads up for anyone who comes here, don't use a MasterCard. Very weak undercarriage coming in. It does not look like this thing gave me a spot-free rinse, and I could have sworn it said it did color wave, and I did not see that at all. Whew, this is bad. Dryer time thing is broken, so it's a mystery as to how much time I got left. Wow, that was bad. I'm pretty sure it skipped color wave. It must not be working. But I mean, of course they don't tell anybody, so how is anyone supposed to know? There's no signage. Drying quality sucked. That probably wasn't spot-free water, so there's probably going to be spots everywhere. Whew, that's bad. Guessing I'm going to have to go somewhere else to a real wash, because this thing sucked. Figured I should do an outside look too. You see, you got a little bit of stuff still left on here. You didn't quite get everything. So you got that, those little stains coming up. This, I'm sure, is not going to dry very nicely because there's no spot-free rinse. I could tell because the water definitely did not have the minerals removed. That's what a spot-free water system does, removes minerals so it doesn't leave spots like it. That probably will. We still got a little bit of this stuff here. Though in fairness, this car's been sitting for a bit, so it's a bit rough anyway. Yeah. Oh, see, we got that too, didn't quite get that. Yeah, I'm not very impressed with that wash. I will say this much, the triple foam cycle worked very well. As for the other stuff that was supposed to come after on the top wash, doesn't look like it worked. Pretty bad value given that you don't get most of what you paid for. So yeah, that was not the worst I've seen, but it certainly ain't good. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching.